Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the BASK LATHER Strengthen Hair Shampoo. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and let me show you what it looks like. This hair shampoo is specifically formulated with a balanced pH and designed to help with cleanses and boosting strength as well as texture and scalp health. It is formulated with only wholesome beneficial ingredients such as castor oil, honey, vitamin E, glycerin, shea butter, as well as hydrolyzed silk proteins, vitamin B5, grapeseed oil, peppermint oil, chamomile, and more. And it is a great option for all kinds of different hair types, including color-treated, kinky, wavy, straight, or silky hair. It is very easy to use. All we need to do is apply it to wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and rinse. And it's also recommended to follow this treatment with the Replenish conditioner to improve our results. If you are in the market for a high quality strengthening hair shampoo, this is definitely worth looking into.